Hey guys, I'm back. This is an Apple Watch case, and this is an awesome product. It's from Bandletic. As you can see, I'm wearing one. Look at this. They have this company does some great watch bands, and it's all custom. I have one of them. See this one? It's an awesome product, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Here's the product. This one's a black one. I'm carrying the orange one, but the black one is awesome. You can get these on Bandletic. I'll put a subscription on that, but I want to show you how it looks. This is the black one, and they have different ones for Samsung, and they have some for all kinds of models, especially Apple. As you can see, this one, look at this. It's an awesome product, man. And then this one's metal piece on the outside, such as this one, metal piece on the outside. So if in case you drop it, it will protect it. But then this one's a black one. This comes with the strap. They have different sizes where you can have them. So it comes. This one's awesome. So all art. You can take this one anywhere, and this one's mostly like office type or sports. But look at this. Comes with this. Comes with a protector, screen protector, and instructions how you can install this. See this? This one's from Bandletic. It's an awesome watch. So this one was sent to me for a review, but it's an awesome product. Look at this. You can see this one. Awesome product. And this one too. I want to show you this one. They make custom brands. I'll put a subscription and a link where you guys can see it. It's awesome. And this is metal, and then they give you a piece in the back so you can protect your watch in case it falls. Okay, let's see. Put this one back. Okay, let's see. So this is from Bandletic. If you guys want to get one of these, I'll put a subscription and where you guys can buy one of these. But it's an awesome product. Bandletic is the name, and you guys can buy this at Bandletic.